Okay, let me talk about how to uh, deal with the size, the position, and the relation between objects. Okay, I think I mentioned it earlier. If you have two objects, if they stack together, so you can see one is behind another. If you want to change the order, so now you select the triangle, so you can actually stand it back. Uh, or bring to front, so now the triangle is can over the rectangle. Also, for any object, you can actually do some free transformation, uh, like the flip vertically. You can see it gets vertically upside down, so you can flip horizontally, right? So you can see it change a little bit, uh, and also you can see you can like reshape it. Right, you have to click one of the corner. If you click the middle, you just move the object. Right, if you resize it, okay, so change the scale. See, like this. That's one thing. Now, if you want to put your object at exactly location, so you can always double click and click the size, and you can adjust here. I think we mentioned that earlier. Okay, so this is one thing. Another thing, you can always uh, align the two objects. For example, if I have two lines like this, so if I select, it looks like if you want to select both, you can't just click and then click another one. Yeah, I tried it, it didn't work. So you can use the black arrow, and then you just drag to encode both. See, both are selected. Then you go to object, align objects, and you can select to align the tops or bottoms or centers, or and then you can the direction to align them, you can make it horizontal. For example, we want to both tops align horizontally, so we can choose this. Okay, so you can see that both top are now aligned nicely. Another thing is there are not much difference in terms of drag them. For example, if I use this, can drag, and I can also, like, if you just hold on your mouse at one end, see the black square, so you can actually change the angle of this line. But if you use this tool, looks like you can do the same thing. So not much difference except selecting multiple objects. See, there's not much control on how to decide the angle of a line, and you have to go with your feeling, right? So like this one, the triangle doesn't really look like isosceles, but if you adjust it nicely, and you can actually make this triangle pretty good isosceles triangle. So you have to add another line here, right? So this looks like pretty good isosceles triangle. Okay, so yeah, I think that's of course you can do the lock, unlock, and sometimes if you want to put all the three objects together, see, you form something you like, so select all of them and lock them, and then they becomes locked together, and also you can move it. See, you can move it. Okay, so that's very useful when you try to avoid accidentally move something. Okay, and you can also group them, right? So all the three objects you want, put them in one group, and you can group them or ungroup them if you want to break it apart to do some modification. Okay, so yeah, I think that's everything is under objects. You know, you can feel free to play with it.